How to play Valorant on console with PC players. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn if it is possible to play Valorant on console with PC players. While Valorant is now available on PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X and S, crossplay between PC and console players is not possible. Riot Games has decided to keep the PC and console players pool separated to maintain competitive balance. The primary reasons for this decision are the differences in control methods and gameplay experience between PC and consoles. Control precision. PC players utilize a mouse and keyboard, which generally offers a higher precision and faster reaction times compared to console controllers. Allowing crossplay would likely create an unfair advantage for PC players. Gameplay differences. The way players interact with the game, including movement, aiming, and ability usage, can differ considerably between PC and console during the game. However, Valorant does offer crossplay between PlayStation 5 and Xbox. This means that if you're playing on a PS5, you can team up with or play against friends on Xbox Series X and S. Cross progression is available. Even though crossplay with PC is not available, Valorant does feature cross progression. This allows you to link your console account to your existing Riot Games account. By doing so, you can carry over your competitive rank, account level, unlock regents, weapon skins, in-game currencies, battle pass progress, and mission progress. While you can play Valorant on console, you cannot directly play in matches with PC players. However, you can play with other console players, and your account progress will be shared between PC and console. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe the channel for more tips like this. Thanks.